Monet here, and I am back with another video. All right, guys, so today we got some ribs, we got some cheesy potatoes, we got some string beans, we got a little bit of Brussels sprouts, we got some crab balls, we got some cornbread, we got some mimosas on deck, baby. Okay, so if you're interested, stay tuned because we're about to get right into the video. Let me give y'all a little close-up so y'all can really see what I'm working with, all right? All right, guys, so we have our string beans, Brussels sprouts, our crab balls, cornbread, cheesy potatoes, and our rib. Yum. Hold on 1 second. Give me a second. Amen. All right, y'all, so no cooking today. Your girl did so much cooking for Mother's Day that I have some food to eat, all right? And I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you guys because I was busy. You know, while we talking, let's celebrate. Happy belated Mother's Day, ladies. We gonna go ahead and pour us up some mimosas. We're gonna do it all over again, just for y'all. Yeah, sound about right. Sound just about right. Ooh, so what y'all up to? I missed y'all, I really did. Sunday, you know, I was in the kitchen slaving, as you can see, and really could not upload a video. I was in the kitchen cooking literally from 8 a.m. until people arrived at 3 p.m., which was just like my mom, my sister, my nieces, my aunt. It wasn't no huge gathering or anything like that, but it was enough people, trust me. And so when you're cooking for quite a bit of people, you mind if I take a bite? Can I just take a little bit of a bite? Just want to take a little bit of a bite. Okay. Hello. Get some of these Brussels sprouts. Where was I at? Where did I stop off at? I might as well take some mimosa while I'm thinking about it. Ah, got it. I knew that would do it. I got it. Anyway, I was so disappointed because I recorded and I edited the video. It was all ready to go. However, I was having some difficulties uploading, and I couldn't let that be my main focus because I had something else to do. And I did see someone message me like, you didn't upload today. I tried, however, that couldn't be my main focus for Mother's Day. And so when it didn't upload the second time, I tried it twice, I had to let that go because I had other things to do. So I want to apologize. I hope you guys can understand that. My family is number one no matter what. And so, you know, I did give it a try, but it didn't work out. So we had to move on from that. Let's try some of these cheesy potatoes. Do y'all like scallop potatoes? Scallop potatoes be so good. That be so good. I gotta show y'all how to make this rib. Did y'all see the rib? Did you see it? Maybe I should cut it up. Maybe I should get into it. Gotta show y'all how to make them ribs. Lord have mercy. Come on here. Come on here. There you go. There you go. That barbecue sauce, though, that barbecue sauce is something else. Excuse this little thin cornbread. But the flavors is good. It's just a little slim. A little bit kind of slim. I don't know what happened. What I did. I do know what I did, but I ain't about to tell y'all what happened. It was too much, okay? Yeah, I made crab balls. Let me just show you what I made. Them ribs came after everybody left. Because they ain't leave me no food. You know you gotta have entree or something, girl. They didn't leave me nothing. They took everything, okay? So I had to make me something the next day, which just happened to be ribs. But that's not what we started off with. I'm gonna run you a clip so you can see exactly what I made for everybody. Look, I'm gonna get up so y'all can see. Look, it got a shrimp in it. It got a shrimp in it. I made shrimp and crab balls. My little dipping sauce right here. Why is it so good? I don't know. I don't know. Let me get into these ribs. Hold on. I'm gonna add a little string bean in that, I'm ready. They was burning my fingers at first. I was scared. I was so nervous, you know? I do gotta show y'all how to make these ribs. I really do. So y'all can make them at home. Because that barbecue sauce, babe, that thing on 100, babe. All right. Look, I'm going to tell you now. If something on my mouth, hold on. I ain't got time to worry about that. I'm going to get it in a minute. I got some ribs. I got some ribs. I got some ribs. Hey, 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 hey. That barbecue sauce ain't nothing to play with. It's so good. And excuse me if I'm eating like I'm starving. It's probably because I am. Let me get the other side. Let me get this side. That side right there. Falling off the bone? What? Okay. So good. So good. Why is it so good? Shall we? Cheers. Man. Usually I do my thing. But I did my thing this time, baby. Woo, who else like mimosas? Do y'all like mimosas? I like me a good mimosa. Let me finish this crab bowl. My bad. I got carried away with that rib. You see what I did there? My bad. My bad. I have not eaten all day. It is 6 o'clock. 6 p.m. I have not eaten all day. That cornbread might be slim, but it's packed with flavor. What happened with me? I only got 1 box. And the pan I usually put it in, I couldn't find it, and it was somewhere else that I usually don't put it at, so I couldn't get the thickness that I wanted, so I had to spread that 1 box of cornbread along a pan this long. Now you do the math. I was determined to have some cornbread. I sure enough was. And I said, you know what? As long as it tastes good, maybe won't nobody mind. And they sure enough didn't. They didn't mind. Put a little bit of hot sauce in the string beans. I usually don't do that, but you know how when you've been eating the same food for a while, you got to switch the flavors up, okay? I can't eat the same flavors. We got to do something different, okay? Switch these flavors up a little bit. Keep eating on the same stuff. You try to add a little this, a little bit of that to it. Switch it up. We already tasted it one way. We want to try something different now, okay? Ooh. Spicy, spicy. Woo! Woo! That's good though. Hot. Add a little bit of potato, cool it down. Woo! I add too much. Oh, my lips burn. Who is that? Lord Frank, relax. You got a line over there. Ooh. I showed y'all how to make these Brussels sprouts though. Something still fire. I didn't even talk about me doing a mukbang. I did see somebody suggest me doing more mukbangs, so this is for you. No, perfect timing. You feel me? Ladies, do you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I did see that, so do a little mucketh bangeth, if you will. Oh my God, I forgot the string beans was hot. Let's take a break. It's such a nice day. I'm doing my mukbang in front of my window, and it's just a beautiful day. Plus the lighting is kind of cute. You know what I'm saying? The lighting is hitting me just right or whatever, but it is a nice day too or whatever. You see me, you see me, you see me, you see me. Did you see my pinky? I said, girl, got my pinky up? Put your pinky up. Put your pinky up. What's up? What's good? Put your pinky up. I wish a nigga would. Period. A. L. Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. God. I cannot help it. I really can't. Let me put it down. Let me put it down. Let me fill it up. Let me fill it up. Don't be judgy. Don't come over here judging people, because you're going to take that somewhere else. Shoot, I had a long day. Why I can't drink mimosas? Why I can't drink mimosas? I had a long day. And, you know, unwind a little bit with a little bit of Momo. Hey, Momo. Come on now here. It ain't even that complicated. Why is giving me all this extra stuff? And close on up now. Close on up. Don't mind if I do. Hold on. These ribs good. I can't even lie to you. These ribs fire. Mm. Mm-mm. That right there, unbelievable. With gristle. Y'all might be mad at me because I'm full, girl. We're gonna chit chat and finish that mimosa. You hear me? Okay? No mimosa left behind. It's a new act. I'm full. Food bomb now. I'm gonna upload the video I was supposed to upload on Sunday. I'm gonna upload it this Sunday coming up. Cause y'all gonna get that video. Okay? I ain't eat that burger for no reason. Sure, I could have stayed in the house and cooked if that was the case. If it wasn't gonna go out, I could have cooked me something else, baby. All right, I risk it all. So somebody gonna see it. I don't care who it is. If it's one person, baby, somebody gonna see it. Okay, somebody gonna be watching. Somebody gonna be watching. That's all I know. Can y'all hear the wind? My joint is gonna bugging. Calm down, little win-win. Dang. You, ma'am, you are pretty tasty. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to tell y'all. Video coming out to a place near you on Sunday. This was something different. Let me know if you liked it, period. My lips keep burning. Them ribs is good. All the food bomb. I hope you had a good Mother's Day. I'm just playing. Y'all let me know if y'all like these mukbangs. Mukbang? How they say it? Mukbang? Let me know if you like this mukbang. I should not do that. Oh, that's already done. It's already done. Period. I don't even be drinking like that, but I like this. It make me look real classy, like. All right, y'all. Well, I'ma head out because I'm full now. And ain't no point in me just keep dragging it on out. Okay. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload. Until next time, guys. Peace.